Hello, everyone. Here, Brain to Body Revolution presents the first podcast from our desk, The Peace of Life. And I, Supriya Nehra, welcome all of you from all my heart with my lovely, beautiful partner, Soumya Chavareddy. We are life engineers here, welcoming you, and we will be discussing on one particular thing today. So, Soumya, what do you feel? Did you ever think that someone, when tells you that you look very tired, what kind of energy you feel that time? What do you feel if someone just suppose that I'm asking you, Soumya, what happened? You're looking very tired today. आपको कैसा feel हुआ? Do you feel exhausted or कैसा लगता है आपको?
Um, I just check myself and I try to identify what it is. Of course, try to identify
Hmm.
what it is that is making them feel that I'm tired. And
Okay.
that's when the attention goes there. Yes, you're quite right about that.
So yeah, so generally what happens is when someone tells you that you look really tired and all, so you definitely you feel that yes, I'm exhausted. So many times I've noticed it. जब मैं तुम्हें कुछ बोल देती हूँ ना, yes दीदी, it didn't well good at night. I'd slept late or something like that. It is only when I am telling you that you are looking tired, you are feeling lazy, sometimes exhausted, lackadaisical, having lack of energy. Why that? And just on that line, when someone says, suppose so you went to a doctor and doctor ने आपको बोला कि कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं, ऐसी बीमारियां हैं जो आप बिल्कुल भी ठीक नहीं हो सकती हैं, and you think अच्छा, and you go and Google it, and Google maybe you get millions of things that will tell you that this is not treatable and this and that. So all those things are actually absorbed by us, and there is a particular term given to it.
Oh, oh
Have
no.
you ever heard of placebo effect?
Yeah, off and on, off and on. Yeah.
Okay. So placebo is something when you good things are affecting you positively. Placebo is कोई आप अपने आप को कुछ good thought देते हो which is actually healing your body, and placebo is quite a known term. People know about placebo. They go to various things for diseases or to temples and all. So those things are actually working as a placebo and healing them. So for the thing, Soumya, which is actually the negative thing, then applying in our mind always now and then, that is called as nocebo.
Oh, see.
This is something called as nocebo effect, which is a negative belief that creates harm to us, creates some harm to our body, to our mind, and something like that in any sort of thing. So every pain that you actually gain in your mind, it is because of the nocebo effect that someone tells you. Just like the way that I told you, you are looking so tired today. You'll say, yes, Didi, I'm really exhausted. I'm exhausted today, or I'm very lazy and all. So people actually float in that idea of being of feeling that tiredness, and that is reflected in their system. This is completely a fake pain study which has been done on this, that people were given na some ointment कि आप ये ointment लगा लो तो आपको burning sensation होगा, and 90 out of 120 people reported that burning sensation when they were given that particular medicine, that ointment. Why? It was nothing, absolutely nothing, a cream. Only that nocebo effect worked in their mind, and they were feeling that burning sensation. So this nocebo is so evident nowadays that gets affected, when we say that this is a medicine which can cause you some side effect, ऑटोमेटिकली आपको लगेगा कि हाँ, मेरे को तो ये वाला साइड इफेक्ट हुआ है. You know what? You will laugh on this thing. When I was in 12th grade, so all medical students now, they are actually studying about the diseases and all. So you will be, it is a really, I was a laughing stock for this. I went to a doctor stating that I have syphilis. I never had any sexual contact, but only that thing was going on in my mind. It was working as a nocebo for me. I was checking all those things, the first pre-markers of the puberty that was going on in my body. And I was thinking कि कहीं वो syphilis तो नहीं, कहीं वो syphilis तो नहीं. ऐसा सोचकर, thank God to that Dr. Pooja Batra, जिन्होंने मुझे बताया कि बच्चे ये कुछ भी नहीं है. This is nothing but this is just something which is there in your mind, and you are seeing that symptom in your body then. So I could catch myself that time, and in order to do that, I had to go on do some studies on me. सो दिस इज समथिंग एवरी मेडिकल स्टूडेंट गोस ऑन, कि जब भी किसी मेडिसिन, किसी बीमारी के बारे में सुनते हैं, उसको लगता है कहीं मुझे ही तो नहीं है वो वाली प्रॉब्लम, ऐसे. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड योर नोसीबो इफेक्ट. Why it happens is your subconscious mind is very receptive to all those things, all those negative things which are going into your mind. वो उसको चिपक के रहते हैं, वेलक्रो की तरह, सौम्या. वो नेगेटिव थॉट को हमारा माइंड जो है चिपका के रखता है. इट इज वेरी हार्ड टू रिलीज दोस्त पर्टिकुलर थिंग, है ना. तो क्या करता है, हमारा लिम्बिक ब्रेन तब एक्टिवेट होके अमेगडेला गेट्स एक्टिवेटेड. और जब अमेगडाला एक्टिवेट हो जाता है, ऑल योर सेंसेस, ऑल योर सेल्स है ना, दे कम इन फेवर विद दैट. अमेगडाला के साथ साथ आपका फाइट एंड फ्लाइट मोड इफेक्टिव हो जाता है. फाइट एंड फ्लाइट मोड इफेक्टिव होते ही यू एक्चुअली स्टार्ट सीइंग दो सिम्टम्स इन योर बॉडी, क्योंकि आपका कॉर्टिसोल लेवल हाई हो जाता है. आपका कॉर्टिसोल हाई हो गया, इम्यूनिटी आपकी लो हो गई, इम्यूनिटी टेक्स अ बैक सीट. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, ऑल दो सिम्टम्स आर एक्चुअली विजिबल इन योर बॉडी. आपको रैशेज होने लग पड़ेंगे, आपको ऐसा कोई ना कोई किसी और तरह का रेडनेस में भी रेडनेस होने लग पड़ेगी. सो उस कारण से क्या होगा, आपके बॉडी में वो सिम्टम्स आने लग पड़े. So this is such a great effect of nocebo, which is happening not just in the medicine cases, elsewhere also. Someone tells you कि mathematics is a very tough subject, है ना. Mathematics is not your cup of tea. Then entire life you are going to think that no, 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 mathematics is not my cup of tea. क्योंकि that is if acting as a nocebo effect, and that is harming your personality. सो समटाइम्स भी किसी ने आपको बोला कि नो नो नो, यू कैन नॉट स्पीक दैट लैंग्वेज, आप नहीं बोल सकते उसको ऐसे तरीके से. तो आप बार बार यू आर ब्रोइंग दैट थॉट इन योर माइंड, एंड दैट इज हार्मिंग योर पर्सनैलिटी. आप बाहर जा रहे हो, आप इंटरव्यू में जा रहे हो, आप नहीं बात कर पा रहे हो, क्योंकि दैट नोसीबो इफेक्ट इज एक्चुअली टर्निंग यू डाउन ऑल द टाइम. So, this is actually so important for us to understand that you can change your entire life with the help of either placebo or nocebo. तो प्लेसिबो में क्या करते हैं ना, सौम्या, यू हैव हर्ट ऑफ दिस. इवन डॉक्टर जो डिस्पेंजा हैज रिटन अ बुक ऑन दैट, प्लेसिबो के ऊपर. बट नोसीबो के बाद ना बहुत कम बोला जाता है लोगों को कि व्हाट इज दैट. डॉक्टर ब्रूस लिप्टन ने इस बात के बारे में बोला था. ब्रूस लिप्टन ने इस बात में बोला इन द बायोलॉजी ऑफ बिलीफ. उन्होंने ये बोला कि जो हमारा जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन है ना, दैट इज द ब्रेन ऑफ द सेल जो है, वो ऑलवेज इट इज ऑन गेटिंग रिसीविंग दोज बायोकेमिकल सिग्नल्स. कि अगर वो पॉजिटिव सिंबल है, पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स हैं आपके अंदर, तो वो आपको हील करता है अंदर से. इट सेंड्स यू द हीलिंग सिग्नल. बट इफ इट इज अदरवाइज, इफ इट इज समथिंग नेगेटिव, देन योर बॉडी एक्चुअली टेक्स इट एज अ डेंजर सिग्नल. यो डेंजर का ना आपका सिग्नल ऐसा होता रहता है, योर बॉडी गोज इन दैट फाइट एंड फ्लाइट मोड. देन अब बॉडी आपका फाइट एंड फ्लाइट मोड में चला गया, तो फिर आपके बॉडी में कॉर्टिसोल रेज होकर आपके बॉडी में लगातार सिम्टम्स आने लग पड़ते हैं. So, what you can do for that? You can immediately turn your mind into the placebo things, into the goodness of things. Ask yourself कि क्या ऐसा हो सकता है? Are you certain about that this is going to happen? Is it something, ये कोई थ्योरी है या कोई स्टडी है? जब आप उसके ऊपर जाओगे, अपने आप को बोलोगे नो, आई एम एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, आई एम गुड इन माई लाइफ, आई एम काम एंड कंट्रोल्ड, आई हैव गॉट एक्सेलेंट हेल्थ. जब आप अपने आप को ये बोलना शुरू कर दोगे, तो उस नोसीबो के ऊपर आपने प्लेसिबो डाल दिया. सो प्लेसिबो इफेक्ट तब आएगा जब आपके बॉडी में फिर हीलिंग का मैकेनिज्म पूरी तरह से शुरू हो जाएगा. फ्रॉम द डेंजर मोड, योर बॉडी विल गो इनटू द रिलैक्सेशन एंड हीलिंग मोड. Then only you will be able to create the life of your choice, because you will not be attacked with nocebos anymore. जब भी कोई nocebo आएगा, that is actually going to harm your physical, mental and emotional health also. So beware of all those nocebos which are coming to you from the invisible realm. यहाँ से वहाँ से कहीं से यहाँ वहाँ से कोई आपको नेगेटिव थॉट्स आ जाते हैं, कोई आपको कुछ बोलता है, आपको सेल्फ सैबोटाजिंग वाले थॉट्स आते हैं. एवरी थॉट विच इज सेल्फ सैबोटाजिंग थॉट, दैट नो नो, आई एम नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ, आई कैन नॉट टॉक इन फ्रंट ऑफ मेनी पीपल, I actually frequently get ill. Why? Because someone and somewhere you heard this thing on and off bar bar, and it went and played like a tape recorder in your mind. सो बार बार उसके आने के कारण यू वेंट इन टू दैट डेंजर वाला जोन, एंड डेंजर वाले जोन से ग्रेजुअली यू आर गोइंग टू पिक दैट अप. सो वेयर दस दिस नोसीबो कम्स फ्रॉम? समटाइम्स ऑफ द फैमिली. बोला जाता है आपको एनवायरमेंट से. आपके पापा को डायबिटीज है, ध्यान से खाना खाओ, आपको भी हो जाएगा. आपके मम्मी को ब्लड प्रेशर है, ध्यान से लिखो, नमक ज्यादा नहीं खाना, आपको भी हो जाएगा. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर नोसीबोस. तो हमारे माइंड में जाकर हमारे बॉडी के सेल्स जो हैं उस चीज को एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं. एब्जॉर्ब कर करके हम लोग बहुत टेंशन में आ जाते हैं. बहुत मीठा खा रहा हूं मैं, कहीं मुझे शुगर ना हो जाए. बहुत ज्यादा नमक खाता हूँ, कहीं मुझे हाइपरटेंशन ना हो जाए. तो ऐसा कर करके बोल बोल के वो नोसीबो का काम करता है. और नोसीबो को करने के कारण आप देखते हो कि बहुत ज्यादा फ्रिक्वेंटली आपको नजर आता है कि फैमिली के अंदर वंश परंपरागत तरह से these diseases run in your family. Why? Because there was no one to stop them there. But we are here at Brain to Body. तो आपको हम स्टॉप करेंगे कि डू नॉट गो फॉर द नोसीबोज. Understand that you are absolutely free. Your mind and your entire body is a machine which is complete pharmacy in itself. You can heal your body, you can heal your mind. It is only your thought which is harming your body now and then. So what happens is, you know what, these astrologers and all these are banking upon this only. आपको डराते हैं, आप जाओगे, आपको बोलेंगे नहीं नहीं आपका वो वाला ग्रह ठीक नहीं है. तो वो ठीक नहीं है, अगेन वो क्या था? नसीबो था आपके लिए. आपने उस चीज को वहां से कैप्चर करा. नहीं नहीं, अगर मैंने वहां पर जाके 4 लोटे पानी के नहीं डाले, मान लो कहीं जाके उसको नहीं किया, कुछ पूजा नहीं करी, तो मेरा पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा, मेरा नुकसान हो जाएगा, नुकसान हो जाएगा, नुकसान हो जाएगा. तो आप जाकर वहां पर वही चीजें करते करने से अपने आप को रोकते हो. और आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड ने फिर उसी को कैप्चर कर लिया. देन यू सी अ सीरीज ऑफ इवेंट्स हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ. But spiritually, what it is? This is law of assumption. This is law of assumption, which you are assuming that this harm is going to happen to you. So spiritually, law of assumption starts working when you run that nocebo in your mind all the time. Scientifically, your amygdala जो है, that goes into the fight and flight mode. तो दोनों तरफ से देखो, साइंटिफिकली कैसे आपको हार्म कर रहा है, और स्पिरिचुअली कैसे आपको ये नोसीबो के कारण आपके बॉडी के अंदर सारी की सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं. So this is the thing that you need to understand, that every nocebo is the cause of the ailments that you have in your life. Not just the health problems, the financial problems, है ना, कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ेगा, मेहनत ज़्यादा करनी पड़ेगी काम करने के लिए, ये ना सफलता पाने के लिए. नो, the people who are working hardest are the rickshaw pullers, or the कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वर्कर्स जो कि कंस्ट्रक्शन में, कंस्ट्रक्शन लेबर्स वगैरह, वो सबसे ज्यादा काम करते हैं. तो उनके कारण उनके खाली एक तरह के मसल बिल्डअप होते हैं, जो कि उनके बाइसेप्स उनके मोटे हो जाते हैं ना, बाइसेप्स भारी हो जाते हैं. अदर देन दैट इट इज नॉट actually doing any good to them. They are doing a lot of hard work. But those people are not enjoying the life of luxury. Why? Because all those times they are only working on that particular, physically they are working a lot, लेकिन माइंड में तो वही रहेगा ना, उनके नसीबों वही चलता रहता है कि नहीं नहीं, ये काम करके थोड़ी ना हम अमीर बन सकते हैं. राइट? तो फाइनेंशियल क्रंच इज वॉट दे आर फ्लोटिंग इन. दैट इज वाई एंटायर लाइफ दे आर फ्लोटिंग इन टू दैट फाइनेंशियल क्रंच ओनली. So, what we need to do is, Soumya, we need to identify all those negative talks that are given to us from the environment we catch us, and then we have to stop us वहीं पर कि नहीं, this is a nocebo and I do not want to take it further. I do not want to take it any further. I'll do what I do is I take a deep breath, I come into the present moment. People come and tell you according to their experiences, the past experiences. What you can do is you just come into the rest and relaxation mode whenever you hear something like this. आप किसी डॉक्टर के पास कोई सलाह लेने जाते हो, किसी ने आपको बोला कि आज तक किसी का भी ये वाली बीमारी तो ठीक हो ही नहीं पाई, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यू गो एंड वॉच द मूवी आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक. इन दैट अभिषेक बच्चन वॉज टोल्ड सो मेनी थिंग्स अबाउट हिज प्रॉब्लम. नहीं, आप नहीं जी सकते, खाली 6 महीने की लाइफ आपकी जी रही हुई है, बट आफ्टर दैट ही एक्चुअली लिव्ड लॉन्गर देन 30 years. Why? Because he did not happen to administer and absorb that nocebo. Nocebo सबके ऊपर काम नहीं करेगा. The people who have high will power, उनके ऊपर काम नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि वो पॉजिटिविटी में रहते हैं. उनको अपने जिंदगी में अपॉर्चुनिटीज नजर आती, उनकी जिंदगी में वो ऑप्टिमिस्ट रहते हैं, इसलिए उनके ऊपर बहुत अच्छे से काम नहीं कर पाता. लेकिन जहां पर भी आपको कोई स्ट्रेस आया, तो ये नोसीबो आपके ऊपर हावी हो जाता है. Then it ruins your life completely. So do not get shattered if some of any astrologer has told you कि आपके अंदर ये वाली प्रॉब्लम है, या फिर मान लो डॉक्टर ने आपको कहा है कि आप कभी ठीक नहीं हो सकते, या किसी फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन में आप गए हो, वहां पर आपको ये बोला गया नहीं आपको इस चीज के लिए लोन बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिल सकता, या फिर यू आर थिंकिंग कि रिलेशनशिप में ये प्रॉब्लम है मुझे और ये तो कभी भी ठीक हो नहीं सकता, ये इंसान तो कभी भी सुधर नहीं सकता. All these things are actually nocebo for you. Know it, understand it, that you have the control of your entire life. You can do anything by mastering your mind. You come and take charge of your mind and forget all the nocebos. अपनी सेल्फ टॉक पे काम कीजिए, अपने आप को अच्छी बातें बोला कीजिए, एंड ऑलवेज थिंक ऑफ द हायर perspective of life, the bigger perspective of life. The bigger perspective of life says that you can heal your body, you can entirely heal your mind, and by healing your body and mind, you will be able to heal every area of your life. So, this is what nocebo is about. Soumya, what did you know now? Did you know about it earlier? And what is your takeaway from this talk?
Oh, wonderful. I mean, yes, we both have heard it off and on, but the details that which you gave and that I captured today that would like to share with everyone is that placebo effect is good things that affect us positively,
Positively.
and the nocebo is the negative things which are negative connotated that harm our body, our life, whatever. Okay. So the ointment experiment was brilliant. So 90 out of 120 people reported burning, although it was not a burning ointment. It was told that it is a burning ointment, and they came and reported it. So that's a great thing. So maximum of the time, that's what's happening. That you take an idea and you make it work for you, right? Whatever is in the mind is what comes out, right? That's something that you stressed a lot about, and I picked it up. And the subconscious mind takes it up. The amygdala makes you believe it, makes you process it, puts emotion and into all of that, and then your cortisol goes up, and then you see the result of it. Whatever that belief is gets manifested in your
Mhm.
life. It
Yeah.
harms your body, and this was first given by Dr. Bruce Lipton. And that I just love that thing that you explained, that we are made up of cells, and cell has a membrane, and it has the capacity, it is the one that allows the things that to go in and out, right? So whatever is in your body, so whatever thought you have and all, they can get converted into molecules or atoms or whatever, and they have this charge, positive charge and a negative charge. So if they're positively charged and they go inside your cell, your cells get charged positively, and if it is negatively charged, the cells get charged negatively. So it was
Makes
so
sense.
simple to understand this here. Ki whatever you're consuming, be it food, thought, whatever, if it is positively charged, you become positively charged. If it is negatively charged, it becomes negative. Very simple to kind of comprehend.
Yeah, and how you can actually get rid of all those things, by definitely by your coming into the present moment, है ना
Uh,
सौम्या? That is the
that's
rescue.
that's
Mm.
that's what I've noted down, that you can turn your mind from nocebo to placebo at any time. First, you asked us to ask a question: are you certain that this can take place in my life? Like, get your facts and your case studies and your studies done. Like, क्या ये मेरे साथ हो सकता है, कितनी प्रतिशत पॉसिबिलिटी है ये मेरे साथ हो सकता है? And then take deep breath and come back to present moment. That these two things, because you do not want your law of assumption to come into picture, to come into play, because law of assumption is nothing but it runs whatever you believe. Like, you are going to run on your placebo, it will run your placebo. If you're going to run on your nocebo, it is going to run on your nocebo. So very easy. And where does this nocebos come from? The nocebos come from your environment mainly. and sometimes from your self talk, from your past experiences. So you need to catch hold yourself when you are in the nocebo effect and come back to placebo effect, and then you'll be all good. So that was
Yes.
amazing. I love the last fact that you gave. Nocebo doesn't work on people who have high willpower. So, nocebo doesn't work on everybody. It only works on people who have a susceptibility to accepting that. So, make sure you have your guards up. Make sure you have trained your mind, trained your body, trained your soul to say no to that effect. So wonderful. Thank you so much for bringing this. Like, I love the way you constructed it and you gave the points, and it's so beautiful. Thank you so much for the study and the examples. It was wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Soumya. At last, we would like to say that if belief can create illnesses in your body, then belief can create that healing also. So, whatever is done is done. You just catch your hold and be in the healing mode, not in the victim mode. So, always on the victim mode. And for doing that, you can join Brain to Body Revolution for the brilliant courses that we have, and you can master your entire life by going through this. So, thank you so much, guys. That's all from today. See you tomorrow again. Thank you. Thank you so much.
See you guys. Bye.